Hi everyone, welcome to another session of tech discussion with Sama. So let's discuss on the today's agenda. So first we will discuss about the introduction of GPT. Okay, that is a basic introduction, and then we'll discuss about the token which we use in our chart GPT, and then we'll discuss about the price, the costing. What are the price? So what are the models available, and what are the price for the respective models? Okay, so we'll discuss today everything in this session. Okay, so let's start with the introduction of GPT. Okay, so GPT stands for Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. Okay, so this is a type of artificial intelligence language model, and it's developed by OpenAI. Okay, so this model are built on the transformer architecture, which is a neural network architecture. Okay, and this model pre-trained on a large scopes of data. Okay, if you see the fourth point, the GPT-3, if we talk about the GPT-3, it's released on June 2020, and this is one of the well-known and powerful version of GPT. This because it has 175 billion parameters. That is why it's making a largest model of its time. Okay, so now GPT-4 also released. Okay, GPT-4 more than GPT-4 is actually it's trained with more than GPT-3 data. Okay, so that is all for from the introduction part. Okay, we'll discuss about the tokens, how we can calculate the tokens in chart GPT. Okay, so let's discuss about the token. Okay, so token is nothing but just a words. Okay, it's a pieces of words, and it's used for natural language processing. Okay, so if you see here, one token is approximately 4 characters. Okay, so if we are using 1,000 token, so this will be approximately 750 words. Okay, to learn more about how tokens work and estimate your usage, what we will do is we will open one tokenizer tool. Okay, let's go to the tool, tokenizer tool. So this tool you can see it in OpenAI website itself. Okay, I will give you an example. Just mention hi, welcome to my channel. Okay, see, the 5 tokens got used. Okay, so based on the token only we will discuss on the costing part. Okay, so let's discuss on the token first. And what else today I'm driving a car. See, so total 6 tokens got used. Okay, and for your reference I have used a big text, not much big, but somewhat it's a big one. So if I just copy and paste it here, you can see the total 165 tokens got used. 778 characters and 165 tokens got used. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the tokens before using the chart GPT. If we are using for a big project or any task we are doing using GPT, chart GPT, GPT-3, anything, then it would be better if we first check the tokens, then we should proceed for using the chart GPT. Okay, because some costings are involved based on the token only. I hope you are clear about the tokens. Okay, this is how we can calculate the token. So now what we will discuss is we'll discuss about the costing part. We'll discuss about the price. Okay, so let's discuss about the prices. Okay, for prices, simple and flexible, only pay for what you use. Okay, and there are multiple models available, each with different capabilities and price points. Okay, and prices per 1,000 token. So we will let you know what are the prices being charged for 1,000 tokens, and that is applicable for different types of models actually. Okay, we will discuss, we'll see now. So and basically like I said, 1,000 tokens means 750 watts. In this paragraph, 35 tokens are used. Okay, so we'll discuss about the prices now, how the prices are charged for OpenAI. Okay, so okay, so multiple models, each with different capabilities and price points. Okay, so 1,000 tokens prices are per 1,000 tokens. Okay, so if we start from the GPT-4, there are two types of model. One is a 8K context and another one is the 32K context. Okay, so this 8K context, it refers to the storage capability of 8 kilobytes. Okay, and this 32K context refers to the storage capability of 32 kilobytes. Okay, 8K context has a few memory storage. Okay, and the 8K context, which that is better suited for a simple smaller scale task, because there are few data storages available, that's why. And if we want to use 32K context, 32K context is better suited for complex large scale projects, as it has more data storage capabilities compared to 8K context. Okay, so here if you see, they're charging $0.03 for 1,000 token, 1K token, and $0.06 for 1K token, and this is for prompt, and this one is for completion. If you last session only we discussed about the prompts, what are the prompts, how we are executing the prompts, how we are giving the instructions to the model uh, to get the actual result, accurate result, that we can say. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch it. And let me just brief you about what is prompt and completion. Prompt is nothing but input which we are giving to our GPT, which we are giving to our chat GPT. And completion is output, which we are getting the output from our input. So prompt is input, completion is output. Okay, so for 1K tokens it charges 0.03 and 0.06. For completion it charges 0.06 and 0.12, and this is per 1,000 token. I hope you are clear. Okay, let's move to the another one. Okay, this is the GPT 3.5 turbo. This one is the upgraded version of GPT-3. Okay, and this one also charged by 0.002 per 1,000 token. Okay, and okay, there are multiple other models are available also. Adda, Babbage, Curie, Da Vinci. So if you see here, Adda they have mentioned as fastest, and Da Vinci they have mentioned as most powerful. Okay, and the costing also you can see here, $0.004 for Adda, and Babbage it's a 0.005 per 1,000 token. Curie is 0.0020, and Da Vinci this is 0.0200. Okay, so that is what. And fine tuning models, so basically fine tuning models are like we are giving a training to the model. Okay, in a brief way if I say that we are just training the model. Okay, example I can give you. Suppose the chat GPT which you are using, okay, you are asking questions and chat GPT will give you the response. Okay, and there's this possibility that chat GPT is not aware of some websites or some applications. That's because it's not publicly available. Okay, so in that case, if chat GPT is not aware of any applications or any websites or anything, whatever the questions or whatever the report you are generating or anything, if chat GPT is not aware of the context, okay, chat GPT is not aware of the topic, it's chat GPT is not aware of the website or applications or anything, what we can do is we can train the model. Okay, so that is that training the model is called fine tuning. Okay, and this fine tuning also, some costs are involved. Okay, so that is also depends upon the models, which models you want to use for fine tuning it. So same Adda, Babbage, Curie, Da Vinci. For fine tuning, there are different charges. Okay, for training, there for Adda, this that is a 0.0004 dollar. Babbage, it's $0.0006. Curie 0.0030, and Da Vinci 0.0300. And training and usage. Okay, so this is how the fine tuning models are being charged. Okay. Okay, and then let's go to the image models. Okay, so image models, it's uses DALI directly. This DALI model is actually dedicated to image models actually. Okay, and it's charged based on the resolutions of the image. If it is 1024 into 1024, then charges will be 0.020. That is per image, 0.020 dollar per image. Okay, and same goes for 512, same goes for 256 also. And then audio models is okay, so here we are using whisper model, that is for recognize, that is the recognize the audios. Okay, it converts the audio into text. So this whisper model also, this chargeable per minute actually, and cost is $0.006. Okay. Okay, I hope you're clear about the charges and all usage. Okay, so when you sign up for the first time, you will be granted an initial spend limit. Okay, like I got, I when I I'm using this one as a trial version, and I got $5. Okay, and once that limit gets over, you can you can request for increase the amount. Okay, you have to give some details here. If you see here, okay, you can give some details here, and you can increase your amount, and you have to pay some amount based on your requirement. Okay, so like I was saying that this the experiment $5 will be credited to your account for 3 months. Okay, this is a free trial version, and after that it will be pay as you go. So like your prepaid mobile, how you are using, first you are recharging. Okay, you are recharging some amount, and then you are using it. So this goes, the same goes for this chat gpt also. First you have to load with some more amount in your wallet, then after that you can start using it. Okay, and choose your model. So it basically you have to know, you should know your requirement. What is the requirement? Based on your requirement, you have to choose the model. Okay, and based on your model, amount will be charged. So that is all from today's session. Okay, and let me know if you have any doubt or anything. Just ping in the comment section.